ready to turn your Solana holdings into spendable cash. First, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app open and unlocked on your phone or browser. This is where your Solana is stored and where we'll initiate the transfer process. Once you're in, identify the send or transfer button within the app. It usually looks like an arrow pointing outwards. Tap on it. Now, you'll need to send your Solana to a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to sell SOL for fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can then be cashed out. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or KuCoin. Navigate to the deposit section on your chosen exchange. Find Solana SOL and carefully copy your Solana deposit address. Double check it is the SOL deposit address. Back in Phantom Wallet, paste the Solana deposit address you just copied from the exchange into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Be sure to leave a little bit of SOL in your wallet to cover transaction fees, and carefully review the address and amount entered. Phantom Wallet will display the transaction details, including the estimated transaction fee. Review everything one last time and then click send or confirm to initiate the transfer. It may take a few minutes for the Solana to appear in your exchange account. Once it arrives, you can sell your SOL for your desired fiat currency or another cryptocurrency. The method for cashing out depends on the exchange. Typically, you'll link a bank account or use a service like PayPal to withdraw your funds. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out your Solana from Phantom Wallet.